she had this to say. All right, here's a voice note which she posted an actual video, so you can go to her Instagram and go follow her and hear what she has to say. But she posted this on her Instagram account where she said this.
Update about, what's going on. Good morning, everyone. So I just came to give everybody a quick little update about, what's going on with the jury selection.
BrainFLoTv.
So basically, as you can see, I am dressed for work. I'm getting ready to start a new job this morning, but I chose not to go back to jury selection after the prosecutor did what she did. The judge did not ask me to remove myself out the courtroom. I love my son that much that I'm going to stay away from the courtroom until the actual trial starts. And it sucks because I still don't have any phone calls with him. And, oh, it's Melvin Day. Happy Melvin Day, everybody. But, yeah. Because when you see something developing that way, when you already know that a department is crooked, you just remove yourself. And that's a different type of love. It hurts, and I'm sad about it, but I just rather not put myself in that situation or cause any delays in this trial or anything like that. So, yeah. Do I wish I could be sitting right there just so he can see me, and I know it gives him comfort seeing me in the courtroom and seeing my presence? Of course, but I'm not doing it. I'm not stupid. Because for you to lie like that on me, like, those are serious accusations. Like, I'm good on that. Like, I remove myself from any situation that could potentially cause me or my family or anybody, to be just messed up. I'm not doing it. So that's that. So it's still free Melly, free board. I mean, about to go start this new job. Kind of nervous. Still nursing, of course. But yeah, I'm a night shift, so day shift working is a little different for me. But, thank you for everybody that loves and support us. This weekend was really fun. I hung out with King Von's mom, so it was definitely a link up. She's amazing. Love you, Tasha. It was so fun. Yeah. So I gotta leave here in like 10 minutes so I can be on time because Miami traffic is crazy. Yeah. But thank you guys. I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I know I keep seeing people calling me an awful, terrible mom, and like the judge kicked me out the courtroom. That never happened. Judge Murphy knows me, and he said what he said, and yeah, like I'm choosing to just stay away, which makes me really, really sad. But hey, what can you do? Thank you guys. Thank you for all the great wishes. Ooh, first day at a new job. Kind of nervous. When the jury selection is going now, it started back on Monday at 9. I think they start around 9:30 in the morning, but I'm just not going. B-Slime can still go. He no, I still don't have any contact with Melly. B-Slime can go. I told him, if he wants to go, I'll drop him off. He can go in, but I'm not going in. Or he can Uber or however he wants to do. But, his little brother is definitely, he's going to be present. He does need that family support.
BrainFLoTv.
No. Yeah, still no contact with Melly. Still can't even order him food. I tried to order him a pack today. His account is still blocked. So I'm going to be calling up to the jail today to see what's that all about, because it's been weeks.
BrainFLoTv.
Jewel is in school. You guys know Jewel is a college girl. So when she doesn't have class, yes, she does go. Jewel does go too. And my mother goes when she's in town, but she doesn't live here. So as of right now, Melly just has his attorneys in court with him. So it's, yeah. When's the last time I talked to him? Last year, Thanksgiving. Other than when I see him in court, and, we're not allowed to actually like converse with each other, but we see each other. We do our little heart. Got accused that was gang symbols. This right here, like this is just how much they reach in that courtroom. So yeah, but as far as like actually talking to each other, no, we don't get to talk to each other. But I love you guys. I know I never do updates and I don't really say much when I do go live, but it's bothering me. I hate the comments. I'm not a bad mom. I wish you guys would get that out your head. I don't know. Some of you guys are just trolls, but I love you trolls too. You know, y'all have the day that you deserve. But anyways, love you all. Got to get ready to go to work. Kisses.
Okay, so basically what she's saying is she has no contact with YNW Melly. And she stated this before. The judge did not kick her out. She decided to take herself away from the scene because these are serious accusations. And of course, it makes her feel like they might be setting her up for something else. So she doesn't want to complicate the case. She wants her son home. And she definitely doesn't want them to use this to look at her son in a more prejudicial way already than what they have before them in the courtroom, right? So she'll start going once the trial starts, but she's going to give the prosecution what they actually asked for that the judge did not give them because they filed a motion. Anytime you want the judge to do something on your behalf as an attorney, prosecution or defense, you have to file a motion. The motion signals, Your Honor, please do this in our favor. They filed a motion to have her banned from the courthouse. The judge denied that motion and said she had a right to be there, right? However, the judge did issue a warning, a verbal warning to her saying, look, Miss King, you've been coming here for a while, right? And like she said, she's been coming there for almost 5 years. So the judge knows her. He knows YNW Melly's mom. He knows she's going to show up for her son. So he was like, Miss King been coming here for a while. You know the rules and regulations around here. And, you know, he knows YNW Melly's mom. He knows she's going to show up for her son. So he was like, Miss King been coming here for a while. You know the rules and regulations around here. And, you know, hope you're not violating any of those kind of thing. Just stay away from the areas where, you know, the potential jurors might be congregating or might be going to their cars or whatever. So once the judge said that, she was like, you know what? Best thing to do at the moment is just to take myself away completely from this situation. And in the meantime, she's letting us know that there are other family members that do go. His younger brother, who's B Slime, YNW B Slime or something, he's going to be going on a regular basis. His mom says he needs the family support, right? Somebody. And surprisingly, she said she hasn't spoken to him since Thanksgiving of last year. His phone privileges are down, so he can't call home. And I guess his visitation rights are taken away, so she can't go visit either. So there's no communication with him. Honestly, man, for a mother to be in that situation, that's kind of a rough situation for her to be in, right? And I'm saying, I know a lot of people are going to say, yeah, but the victims, their parents are never going to be able to see them again, which is YNW Juvie and YNW Sack Chaser. Their parents are never going to be able to see them again. At least you can see your son and put up little heart signs and I love you signs or motion that I'm here for you or whatever. They'll never see their family again because they're buried under the ground from what your son did, right? That's what the sentiment is for a lot of people. She seems to be holding up strong. She seems to be going through it, but she's holding up strong, or she's putting on a strong face. And I mean, she has to, right? You can't be crying and breaking down all the time, because if Melly gets wind of it, You know, he's really close to his mom. If you think about the dynamics of their relationship, I believe Jamie had Melly when she was 14 years old. I watched the interview with Melly's father, and he spoke about how they got pregnant early and then their relationship didn't work out. So she became a single mother at 14, 15 years old, you know, had a child and had to raise him, and then went through a situation where she got with some guy who ended up was abusive to her and abusive to Melly. And then he thinks, the father, Melly's actual dad, says he thinks that situation right there is what really changed Melly, because he was taken away from his mom by the state. Now, that's not to say she's a bad mom still today. She was young. She had to go through some fire. She learned her lessons. She got herself together. Obviously, she is a RN, a registered nurse, right? And she's on her job every single day for years now. So that tells you a lot. People do change and do change their life. Do I think that she knows that her son is guilty? I don't know. And I don't want to answer that, because then I'll be putting her in it and saying more than I know, right? And I don't like doing stuff like that for likes and views, because you end up hurting people and not even knowing what you're saying is way more hurtful than what you think it could be. So for the people who are asking, do you think that YNW Melly's mom knows for a fact that he is guilty, but she still is out here saying free him, free her murderous son? I don't know. Do I think that she's the type to say free him even if she thinks he's guilty? Yeah, she loves him that much. She would want him to be free regardless of whatever, right? But if she knows that he is, I can't speak on that. With that said, those were her words. So she's going to, I see some people are spreading rumors that the judge said she shouldn't come back there and she is banned from there because the prosecution made sure she got banned. That's not true. The purpose of this video is to keep it truthful so we all understand where this case is at, what's taking place in the case. So when a verdict eventually comes down, or when court starts for the actual case, that whoever tunes into this channel is tuned into the facts. She was not banned. The prosecution did file for her to be banned, which the judge rejected. However, she gave it to the prosecution anyways. She says, "Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate you not banning me. But you know what, prosecution? I will excuse myself anyways." That's the truth. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one, and I'll catch you on the next video. YNW Melly's mom removes herself from the jury selection process because I'm out. Peace.